Hello, I'm here in Vietnam right now for a very special edition of Havits. Special because 6 years ago I already visited this place. It's called the Lunch Lady. But over 15 years ago, Lunch Lady met Anthony Bourdain. Anthony Bourdain fell in love with her personality, yung kanyang luto, at yung charisma niya. And after that, they developed a friendship. Anthony Bourdain, para po dun sa mga hindi may kakilala sa kanya, he's a rock star chef. He's the original food vlogger. He's a presenter for culinary adventures that used to come out in Discovery Channel, CNN before he died. I personally follow his culinary adventures. He's a hero of mine. And 6 years ago, I was able to visit the Lunch Lady and I was able to try her soup. Napakasarap. Tsambahan lang po talaga kung ano kasi she only serves 1 or 2 kinds of dishes every lunchtime. So now, Tuesday, ang naabutan namin is some kind of beef broth na may kasamang ito parang pork meatball, couple of pieces of shrimp, kikiam, parang pork asado. Of course, what Vietnam is very famous about, the rice vermicelli noodles and a quail egg. Pero, tulad ng lahat ng putahe dito sa Vietnam, it comes with an assortment of vegetables. Madalas, it's wansoy or coriander, may mint, and usually, kailangan mo ilagay lahat. I don't know what they are. Madalas, may toge, may radish, but usually, it's this gulay-gulay that gives a burst of flavor and earthiness and a herbaceous kick of freshness dito sa broth. Kusayin mo natin yung broth. Oh, wow. Di ko alam kung gano'ng katagal niya pinapakuluan to. Siguro medyo matagal kasi lasang-lasa yung linis ng sabaw. And once in a while, they keep pouring water and you'll see. Pero may lumulutang na atay, may mga lumulutang na kung ano-anong mga pieces ng pork. At mukhang overnight niyang pinakuluan yan kasi lasang-lasa sa broth. Quick question para sa mga nanonood sa atin. What is the difference between broth and soup? Kadalasan sinasabi nila yung lapot. Pag malapot daw, it's soup. Pero pag ganito, it's broth. Usually broth, yung pinakuluan lang mga laman ng manok, buto ng manok, and then you get the chicken broth, or in this case, beef broth. And then, you'll always see this. Sile, galaw, fresh lime, which usually brings out all the flavors. Of course, kada serving nila may kasamang tawag ito Vietnamese fried spring rolls or sa atin lumpia. And freshly cooked kukoy. Shrimp cake. But the star here is this heartwarming bowl of soup, and of course her, Lunch Lady, who's been doing this for over 25 years. And for somebody with the caliber of Anthony Bourdain, kung isang tao tulad ni Chef Anthony Bourdain may in love sa kanya at magustuhan yung pagkain niya, who are we not to try it? Kaya ako, si Javi Bagatsing, here in Vietnam, kung nagsasabing kada kanto, it's actually a culinary adventure. So far, hindi pa ako nalilet down. Although medyo mahirap hanapin, nawawala ako sa Waze, pumumotor lang ako dito sa Vietnam, nahanap ko siya, she's worth the find. Trust me, napakasarap. At masaya akong na-announce na dahil po sa sobrang sikat ni Lunch Lady at sobrang sarap ng kanyang luto, meron na po siyang branch sa Canada. And from being a banqueta chef, na talagang pinipilahan, ngayon she's also a cookbook author. So, kung may chance kayo, bisita dito sa Vietnam, you will not be disappointed. One of the best culinary destinations according to Anthony Bourdain, and according to me also, kada kanto napakasarap ng pagkain. Whether it's the pho, the banh mi, or this one, the soup of Lunch Lady, you will not be disappointed. Parati kong sinasabi sa Pilipinas, ugaling itipin atin mga waiter at waitresses. Hindi naman kailangan dito sa Vietnam. Kasi tulad ng mga ibang bansa like Japan, tipping is actually not welcome. So, mas magandang sabihin ko, pag nandito kayo sa ibang bansa, eat local. At isa pa, mga kadistritos, this humble bowl of soup has a Michelin star.